Friends, today I would like to talk about the keyword required in C Sharp and see how it can be useful in your own programs. So let's take a simple example. Let's say we have a book and we want to use an object initializer. And you would notice that this is relatively new in C Sharp. Basically, if you declare the variable on the left hand side here, book, you don't need to specify new book. You can just say new, and then in the object initializer you can have whatever you want it to initialize. So in this case I'm saying that author is Frederick Forsyth, and then I'm just printing out book.name by book.author. And you can see in the class book I have properties such as name, author, and rating. And if I run this program, you can believe me, it will just say by Frederick Forsyth here, because book.author is the only thing that's there. So let's say you wanted to make this a little bit robust, and you want to say that the name has to be there and it's required. And as you can see, I was not initializing the name here, so but I did add a keyword called required. So let's say what it does. So if I try to run this or even compile this program, you would say, it will say it is a build failure, it could not build it. And the reason it's happening is, you can see this message here. It says required book.name must be set in the object initializer or attribute constructor. So we're only dealing with the object initializer here, and it's the compiler itself is checking that the book.name is not set. So to fix that, we can obviously supply that property here, book.name. And if I run this again, now you should see it basically running, and you can see it says Day of the Jackal by Frederick Forsyth. So this is a required keyword. It can be pretty useful, and because especially if you look at a book, you may want to change the author to be required as well. And the rating, maybe it's in a book initially came out, it may not have any ratings or reviews, so that could be optional. But it's really useful that you can help, the compiler can help you with object initializations. And this is actually a little bit easier way to do initialization of objects as opposed to using constructors, because if you have a lot of properties, listing them in a constructor can be hard to read. So thank you for watching this short screencast, and you have a great day.